Hello everyone, today in this video, I will show you how to recreate this red inverted effect in Lightroom app. I will even show you how you can make this effect more cool for your photo shoot and for your Instagram DP. But note it, in some pics it won't come the same results, you all just have to adjust little bit, that's all. And download the preset, link is given in the description box. Happy editing, do subscribe my channel for upcoming tutorials. And yes, you can try this effect in Snapchat. I have already made this lens in Snapchat, try it out. Link is given in the description box, and as well as you can try more of my Snapchat lens, there are many, hope you like it. As well as you can try this effect in Instagram too. Link is given in the description box. Do comment and tell me how is it, so I can know and make for this kind of effect and presets more. I said enough now, so let's begin with editing. Do follow the curve tone before editing.
Yeah. Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes, but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off as friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside, I'm alone.
You just copy and paste the settings to look the same effect on your different pics. But note it, in some pics it won't come the same results, you all just have to adjust little bit, that's all. And download the preset, link is given in the description box.
Break down, always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way. Even when I'm feeling down, I fight. Even when I don't know what is right, I'ma pick a side and I'ma take pride.
After editing, just save the photos.
Will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shape me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold.
And then bring it on the PicsArt app and then select the edit photo and go to add option and then select your original pic. Adjust the pic properly. And then erase it as you want it and then save it.
So catch me if I fall.